Hey guys, it's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab bringing you another tip today, and today's tip is anniversary marketing. And today is the last of the three-part series of the VIP marketing that you should have in your arsenal, and today's video is anniversary marketing. Anniversary marketing is so important because people have anniversaries just like birthdays every single day, every single month of the year. This is just another way to be able to capture another life event in a customer's life. Another area or life event you can actually target right along with anniversaries is engagements. People that are newly engaged. So we all know flowers are one of the most important items when it comes to an anniversary. It's one of the most given items when an anniversary happens. So this would be a really great way for a flower shop to be able to really capture that market and to be able to create a pipeline for their business. So when an anniversary happens, there's a very good chance that the couple or the couple and family and friends are going to go out to a restaurant to celebrate the occasion. And this is a great way for anybody in the restaurant business to be able to capture a new market for people to come into your restaurant and celebrate that occasion with that restaurant. What if you was in the spa business and you offered a couple's massage for their anniversary? Or maybe you're in the escape room business. Wouldn't it be fun to be able to target couples for their anniversary to have them come on in and try to get out of one of your rooms? Text message, birthday, and anniversary marketing is how you can create an all-around VIP club for your business. We all know birthday and anniversaries happen every day of the week, every month of the year. This is just a way to start to create a pipeline for your business so you can always have business. And to couple this with text message marketing, which has a 97% open rate, and the messages are usually opened within the first 3 minutes. This is huge for a business, and most customers, they prefer to have a text message over any other type of form of communication. So I hope you guys like this three-part series I put together on how to create a VIP club for your business. It's truly powerful. Please take something out of these 3 videos and implement it into your business right away. I will be back for future videos, and if you're not part of the Des Moines Chamber Chat Facebook group, ask to be requested on there, and you can really get all these videos and tips and really explode your business.